You could paddle with one hand with these things, you know. Except maybe when I end the stream, I might have to. This is nice though. We can just do a loop around there. Yeah. So it's a bummer. This whole customs issue. What do we do? Where do we shop? Let's see. The current's pushing me that way. That's why you wanna. Oh, nice. I could stand in here. That's how shallow the water is. So this is good though. I think this is probably ideal for the kids because it's not. It looks like we're in deep waters, but we're not. Oh, here, watch. I'll show you. You're like, how deep is it? So deep. My foot is right there. I just have to watch out not to hit. Oh wait. Yeah, not to hit anything. And my fin. You know, I need my fin. Can't have my fin dragging along the sand. So maybe I'll start heading back. That's how shallow it is. The current. You could always go across the other way and then just drag it. Yeah, so this is really shallow. You hear that? That's the sound you want to hear when you're paddleboarding. That means you're picking up speed. Hear that? We're getting speed. Now I'm just heading back to it. Can't have it dry. I could probably just get out and walk, literally. If it's too shallow. Whoops. Yeah, a little bit of a bummer. So I'm looking forward to flying it, but I couldn't fly today anyway, even if I wanted. And it's hard to live stream it just, whoops, sorry, 2 bars. Can't. Oh, now it's a little bit deeper over here. So I need to get across. I have to get where I can walk. Row your boat gently down your stream, right? Your YouTube stream. I have to get off because it's not optimal. I don't know how far it drags. Let's see how far it's dragging. Not too far, just right about here. Yeah, so it's fine. You don't want to drag your fin. You could drag it with your foot on it, but not with your weight. You know. Usually it's deeper here. Just gotta watch out not to step in shit like that because of crabs. You know. I hate crabs. Creepy crawler. Okay, we're out of the algae, seaweed, stuff. I don't want to be near. Yeah, I don't mind being near it, but see, look, crab right there. And that's a little. Where's the big one? You know, the one that'll get your toes if you step in their little cave / whatever. Yeah, a little bit of a bummer. Oh wow. Message deleted by how I didn't delete anything. I didn't delete any messages if you guys are wondering. I was paddling the whole time. Let me press refresh. Maybe it's a YouTube thing. Afix was timed out. By how timed out? Ay ay ay. Oh, that was my first. Well, this is my first time live streaming from this sort of what do they call it? Format. No, I didn't time you out, Afix. Everything that's so weird. Let me see if I can bring him back. Oh, I have green screen. Done. Top fan, top chat. I have no idea what that is. Hold on. Yeah, now it's just glitching out. Let's bring it back. Let's see what happens if I cancel.